Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Marina Flames, and today I have something really special to show you. We've recently been moving house. We are in our new house. Um, yeah. If you guys, um, if you guys know Nerf, at our new house, we've been playing Nerf. Okay. Um, and this is my special gun. This is my special gun. It just arrived today. If you can't read it, it's a elite version. It's an elite Armstrong. By Nerf, obviously. It's got the full rounds, spinning barrel. Ah. And yeah, that's about it. This is our new house. Like and subscribe. I've got a second channel now. Go like and subscribe to that, please. And turn notifications on so you get notified. No, so you know when a new video has just came out. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn that little bell on. Please subscribe. I need it. And we will do a very awesome, like, I'm not sure, but when we get to 15 subscribers, when we get, we'll go into a different room, Pete. So, guys, on the 5th, I'll make a video on 15 subscribers. Just comment in the comment section below, what we should do for our 15 subscriber, milestone video. And yeah, so